Yes, so 80 squats, everyone. If you are done, you can relax and start walking. Yes, good. Carry on. Okay, 1 minute more on this. Then we'll be moving to the next movement. Okay, relax. All right, let's watch. Now we are going to come to the count of 70. Okay, and so 70 will be your mountain climbers. So again, be in the plank pose like this, and from here you will be doing your mountain climbers 70 on each leg. Okay, just make sure that you stay in the plank pose. Don't come here and start doing it. You need to be here and you keep doing your mountain climbers. Alright, let's go for it. 70 on each leg. Yes. Mansi, you will be doing lesser counts. Do 70 total. Okay? Yes, very good, Parag. Good. Yes, join in the pain. We are doing mountain climbers. 70 total. 70 on each leg. Bharat done? Good. Relax. Yes, very good, Vikram. Carry on. Yes. So while doing mountain climbers, bring your legs as close as possible towards your chest. 70 on each leg. Radhika done? Good. Very nice, Dipen. Carry on. Okay, once you're done, you can start walking. Take your time. We still have 1 minute for this workout. Okay, let's look at the next movement coming up, which is your butt kicks, and the count is 60. Okay, so what we are going to do is We are going to do butt kicks. First, slightly tilt your body forward. Back straight, chest out. Only the body is tilted forward. Now use your toes to push your legs back. Don't land on your heels. You need to be on your toes. Watch it. So you will be here. Kick your heels against your butts. And it will be 60 on each leg. Alright. Let's go for it. Butt kick 60 on each leg. Mansi, you will be doing 60 total. Yes, again break your sets into 20-20 or whatever you are comfortable with. Yes, good Radhika, good. Very nice Parag, good. Push your legs back more, yes. Very nice Dipen. Good Vikram, good. Go for it, yes. Okay. Any guesses what is coming up next? The count is 50. Anybody can guess? The favorite workout of HIIT? Burpees. Okay. So let's watch the movement again. When we have to do more counts, we skip the jump. So we don't do 2 jumps, we do only 1 jump and do a continuous workout. So just watch it. Jump down, legs back, complete floor touch, up, legs forward, jump down, legs back, floor touch, up, legs forward, jump down and so on. Okay. So that just don't end your here and then rest and then again jump and go. Don't waste your time like that. Okay. So you are going to do 50 burpees and the time that limit I am going to give you is 6 minutes for this workout. Okay, others got 4 minutes time limit. For this it is 6 minutes. Mansi, you will be doing 30 burpees. Radhika, you will also be doing 30 burpees. Rest everybody will be doing 50 burpees. Alright, okay, go for it guys. Yes, complete floor touch. Don't do a push-up, you will waste your time. The movement will also not come right, so better do a complete floor touch. Yes, very good. Again, make a set of 10, 10, so on. Yes, good. Yes, after one set of whatever burpees you are doing, maybe 15, 20, 10, whatever, you can rest not more than 45 seconds. So that you are rested somewhat to gain energy for the next set, but your heart rate doesn't fall off too much and your body doesn't get in that resting mode. 30 to 45 seconds of rest is good enough. Yes. Yes, good Mansi, good. Bring your leg forward and jump again. Yes, down. Legs back, very good. Completely lie down on the floor, very nice, good. Yes. So jump, go down, legs back, floor touch, then legs forward, then jump, then again go down. So like that. Yes. So you should have done at least 20 to 25 burpees. So now break down your burpees into 5-5 maybe. So do 5 in one go, then break down, then 5 in another go. You can do it like that as well. Time wise it is 3 minutes more. Very nice, Dipin. Yes, Parag, are you done? 50? Oh. Yes. Carry on, Vikram. Very good. So when you come back up, Vikram, jump once. Just give a slight jump here. Yes, jump, yes. Now go down, yes. Very good. Come back, jump, yes. Good. Very nice, Parag. Good. Carry on. Good, Radhika. Good. Doing really well. Okay, good. Those who are done can rest. Others finish. Yes, Mansi done, 30. Good. Bharat, you also done, 50. Good. Yes, you can have water if you wish to. Once you are done the burpees part, you can have water. Yes, last 1 minute. Let's go for it. Mansi, if you want to sit, just sit on the floor with your legs crossed. Okay, don't sit on the chair. Yes, Vikram, are you done? Good. Dipen, done? Good. All right, excellent, guys. Let's move to the next movement, which is a push-up. Okay, so we will be doing 3 movements in the push-ups. All right, not just that one push-up and 40 counts. We will be doing 3 movements. The first one is your shoulder taps. So how are we going to do it? So in the plank pose, you're here in the plank pose. Now from here, start tapping your shoulders without letting your body swing too much. Okay, 10 on each side. That's your first set in the push-ups. Let's go for it. 10 on each side. shoulder taps. Keep your body as stable as possible. Don't let it move too much. Parag, engage your core. Your body is swinging. Yes, good, better. Good, Bharat. 10 on each. Radhika, torso down. Okay, relax those who are done. Okay. Now, the next 20 counts will be your push-ups. Okay, and how? So, again, just let me tilt my camera angle. Okay. Now, your legs are, hands are not too wide, slightly more than the shoulder width. Okay. Watch the legs. So, don't keep your leg joined. You need to keep it slightly shoulder length apart or slightly closer, but not joined together. You should be in a comfortable position here. Now, go down and come back up. Full range of motion, down and up. Okay. Don't do half, even if you have to do it on your knees. So you go down like this and come back up. That is also fine. Just go down this much and come back. Avoid doing this and avoid doing this. Okay, your whole body needs to go in one go, even if it goes 1 inch or so. Okay, 20 push-ups, everyone. Let's go for it. You can break down into 7, 7, 5, something like that, or maybe 10, 10, whatever. But full range of motion. Yes, good Parag, good. Go for it, yes. Bend down deeper, deeper. Just tell yourself deeper. Dipen 5 full and then go down on your knees. Hands wider a bit, Dipen. Hands slightly wider. Yes. Full push up, Dipen. Pick up your legs. Only 5 full and then go for on your knees. Good, good. Yes. Radhika, take your torso also down. Okay. Radhika and Mansi, just watch the movement again. So you are here. What you are doing is not wrong, but why the movement is not coming right? Because you are being in all fours like this and then trying to go down. So you will not be able to go down like this. You are here. You need to slightly tilt your body forward to begin with. If you will be here, you won't be able to do the correct posture. You need to tilt your body forward, raise up your legs. So you are in this pose. Just go down this much and come back. Just go down this much and come back. Take your hips also down as you go down. Okay? And don't rest your thighs on the floor. Yes. Yes. Good, good, Radhika. Good. Yes. Yes. Yes, Mansi, when you come back, don't lose your arms like that. Just don't fall back. You need to stay there in the slanting position. Yes, down and up there only. Yes, don't come back. Don't come back, Mansi. Down and up. Yes, down and up. Yes. If you are done 20 counts, everyone, just raise a thumbs up so that I can tell you what is the next 20 for. We'll wait for others. Yes. Okay, relax. Alright, now the next 20 will be your wide push-ups. The movement remains same. It is just that your hands will go wider now. So, this is your plank stance, this is your push-ups, and this one is your wide push-ups. Watch it from the front. So, this is your plank stance, slightly apart is your push-up, and slightly apart is your wide arm stance. Okay. Now, here also, if you are doing it on your knees, you need to be careful that you tilt your body forward and go down just this much maybe, come back up. Mansi, when you are coming back up, don't do this. Okay, don't keep doing this. This is not a push-up. You need to stay here. From here down, up. Down, up. Okay, got it? Let's go for it, guys. Vikram, do the push-ups on your knees now. Let's go for it, everyone. Yes. Dipen, hands wider, arms wider, more wider. Yes. Good, good, Vikram, good, yes. Bend down deeper, Vikram, go down deeper. Yeah, there you go. Yes, 20 counts. You can take breathers in between. Parag, go down, go down. Yes. Down from your chest. Radhika, tilt your body forward. Don't concentrate on going down. Tilt your body forward. No, no, no. Radhika, stop. Move your body forward. Be in that pose. Move your body forward. Now go down. Yes. Better. Much better. Yes. Better. Better. Tilt your body, Radhika. Tilt your body more. Take your hands forward. Tilt your body more. Yes. Good. Better. Better. Tilt your body forward. Yes. Okay. Better. But you need to tilt your body forward. Okay. That is the only thing. Don't concentrate on going down. Just make sure that your body is in slanting line. So when it goes down full. Don't leave your torso behind and go down. Okay. So that is why I'm asking you to tilt your body. 20 counts, everyone. If you're done 20 counts, you can tell me that 20 done so that we can move forward. Okay, yes. Good, Vikram, good. Good. Okay, alright. Let's move to the next movement, which is your leg raises. The count is 30. Okay, and how are we going to do it? So, simple movement, lie down. Tuck in your stomach, press your spine against the floor. Hands by the side. Now lift your legs up straight at 90. Come down. Don't touch your legs on the floor. Again lift up 90. Come down. Alright. 20 counts like this and the next 10 has a variation. 20 simple leg raises, everyone. You can break it down into 10, 10, 5, 5, whatever. Yes, let's go for it. Make sure you come down slow. Don't rush the movement for completing the counts. Yes. Good, Dipen, good. Very nice, Vikram. Come down slow. Yes. Good, Bharat. Good. Yes, Parag, don't go beyond 90. Just be there till 90. Come back, yes.
Like my lower back is paining as soon as I'm doing it up.
Okay, I'll alter the movement. So what you do is, you raise one leg up, okay? Raise one leg up at 90. And your lower leg, try to lift it up, down, like that. Okay, the other leg goes up and down. One leg remains at 90. Otherwise, what you can do is, one leg remains at 90, lift up this leg, bring it down, touch it on the floor. Okay, and keep doing that. Try it. Okay, Parag done 20. Let others also finish after. Yes, Mansi, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, let's watch the next movement, which Vikram is already doing. So, you lie down. From here, lift both the legs up at 90. Now take one leg down and up. Down and up. 5 times on this leg and down and up. 5 times on the other leg. Okay, let's go for it. Yes, lift. No. Parag, raise both the legs to 90 first. Yes. Both the legs. Now take one down and up. One remains on the 90. Yes. 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 5 on each. Vikram, now turn yourself and stretch your spine. Be in the cobra pose, stretch your spine. Everybody who finishes this, turn around, be in the cobra pose and stretch your spine. Okay. The next movement is your suicide planks and the count is 20. And then we have one last, okay, which is your sprawls. So only 2 movements are left. Let's go for it. Again, in the suicide planks, just observe that when you are here, like this. Now take your elbows forward so that when you go down, your body stays in the plank. Come back up, down, come back up. Alright, yes? 20 counts. Let's go for it. Mansi, you will be doing 10. Radhika, you also do 10. But make sure you do it right. Torso down, Radhika, torso down when you take your elbows down. Yes. And up. Yes, Mansi, suicide planks, 10 counts. You will not be doing 20, you will be doing 10. Mansi, slightly tilt your camera angle so that I can see your posture. Bharat, torso down when you take your elbows down. Yes. And up. Very good, Mansi. Good. 20 counts which you can break down into 10, 10. Yes, Radhika, if you are done 10, you will relax. You will not do more. Yes. The bend torso down on the elbows. Okay, Mansi, only 10, don't do more. Only 10 counts on this. Others will do 20. If you are done 20 counts, you will start walking so that I know you are through. If you are not done 20 yet, be there and finish your counts. Okay, done. Relax. Alright. Let's move to the last movement, guys. Of the day, only 10 counts, which is your sprawls. And how are we going to do it? So you stand with your legs shoulder width apart. It's also called a half burpee. You go down, legs back, legs forward, get up. Down. Legs back, legs forward, get up. Alright? 10 counts in one go. Let's go for it, guys. Last movement. Yes, down, legs back, legs forward and up. Yes, very good, Radhika. Excellent. Yes, don't let your torso drop too much, everyone, when you take your legs back. Stabilize your torso, don't let it drop. Okay, done. Alright, clap for yourself. Well done, guys. So we started with 100 jumping jacks, then we did 90 punches, then we did 80 squats, then 70 mountain climbers, 60 of your butt kicks, 50 burpees, 40 push-ups, 30 leg raises, 20 suicide planks and then 10 sprawls. Well done, guys. Good going. So Today the workout was more of cardio strength. We had some cardio movements, but basically the focus was increasing the endurance of our body and doing one movement with more repetitions. So we will be introducing endurance in the next week as well. So Friday and so Wednesday and Fridays will be the usual HIIT, strength and core blast. Okay. Mondays we will be working on our endurance. Alright, that is how the design is going to be looking forward. Alright, relax yourself, walk around, have water. We will be doing our stretching in another 30 seconds.
Hope no after party 10, 9 with 7.
No, not right now, but yes, on Wednesday and Fridays we will.